Hi folks, I heard about the stick marsh nesting area a long time ago, but didn't decide to make the trek until I saw a video by another YouTuber, Mark Smith. I made the trip back in April and was not disappointed. I got there early and the birds were already on the move. As the day progressed, the light got better and so did the photos. There were tons of opportunities for birds in flight photos. As the primary resident, the rosette spoonbills were on the move, constantly bringing food to their young. These birds are amazing, and even the not-so-nice shots were cool as they revealed more about them as I caught new angles and behaviors that I had not observed before. Of course, the spoonbills were not the only inhabitants of the nesting area. There were anhingas, common gallinules, green herons, and others. Anyhow, until next time, please like, subscribe,